Hello friends, this is Raju, and today's video I am going to show how to create a very cool poster design in Photoshop. So without any delay, let's start. First of all, I create a new page, click new, and I take 700 and 1000 pixel. After that, do unlock background layer and choose gradient overlay and fill color according to your design, and I choose black and gray combination. Press OK, and then I open some images which is used in poster. Control A, Control C and Control V, and do convert to smart object. After that, I press Control T from the keyboard and adjust background on the page like that. After that, I use blending mode. This is overlay is looking good, and then I use this image in my poster design file, and I already cut the background image. You can see, click and drag into your file, and now looks good. After that, I type some text, select text tool and type "Are you ready?" and select the text and do capital, and I use railway black font and color use like gray, and increase the font size, and press Ctrl T, increase the font size and drag bottom the image and adjust. Like this, and I use blending mode in text. I think this looks good, and I select one more time text tool and type training camp, select and regular and reduce font size. After that, I create a shape. So select rounded rectangle tool, create like this. Fill color should be none, and outline choose gray. And press Ctrl T and a little bit bigger like this, and select text and press Alt and drag to bottom and double click on the text, and I type "Are you ready for win?" and give space, and press Ctrl T and reduce the font size. Good, and reduce the opacity of the text like this. After that, I use Lensware, this background, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, press Ctrl T and set according to your requirement. And I use blending mode on this lens flare. I think this is looks good, and reduce the opacity like this, and I adjust. I think reduce more opacity like this, and this place looks good. The poster design is ready. I hope you feel good watching this video. Finally, thank you for spending your time with me. So please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. So we will meet in the next video with new design. For that, thank you.